Hi friends, this video shows how to record full HD video in autofocus mode using Canon EF-EOS lens and Canon R series mirrorless camera body or R series camera body. So here you can see I am using this EF-EOS 55 to 250 mm lens. This lens I have connected to this EOS R50 mirrorless camera body using this EF-EOS R mount adapter. So I am going to test HD full HD video recording in autofocus mode. So first let me turn on this camera, then put this camera in video mode. Okay, now camera is in video mode. Then press this menu button. Here movie record size, select it. Here we have 4 full HD options: full HD, standard and light in 50 fps and 25 fps. So in this video I'll be selecting this full HD light 25 fps. Select it. Okay, done. Let me record one video. Press this record button. Okay, recording has been started. You can see recording has been started. You can see autofocus is working here. Okay, so let me stop this recording, then play this recorded video. So this is a recorded video. You can see autofocus is working here. Okay, next I'm going to check the info of this video. Press this info button. Press again. Info says this is full HD video 20 fps MB4 IPB mode. Let me press info again. So here it says this video has been captured using EF-EOS 55 to 250 mm lens. See, EF-EOS 55 to 250 mm lens. So this way we can capture full HD video using EF-EOS lens and Canon R series camera body. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please check it.